how to maintain the equipment.
Yeah,
The
I was going to ask, maybe
when
if they
equipment
break,
broken,
they
then
need to be repaired.
they ask again to government.
Yeah.
We cannot provide again for the
No.
same.
So they need, you do it one time,
Yeah.
and then they need to run a business, so they need to need money for maintenance. Yeah.
We have facing problem some, but some already be a businessman now.
Yeah.
And sell the fish to other profit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So they become bigger.
Yeah, bigger.
Yeah.
It depends on. And how about Denmark?
You mean
Feed safety is in PVFD, right? But Ministry of Agriculture, they do support.
but we are the Ministry of Agriculture. Yeah. So we are just an agency under the Ministry of Agriculture. Yeah. So, but we don't have any. Yeah. And we have big feed companies. Yeah.
In Denmark,
The feed mill. I mean, they are members of, because it's the feed mill. Yeah.
Ladang gandum.
Yeah.
Ini depannya ladang gandum.
Yeah.
Bajak,
in Indonesia for dairy,
baru dibajak. Banyak burung merpati.
cooperative, dairy cooperative.
Yes. Yeah.
And how? And in Indonesia, many cooperative. One area is one cooperative and cooperative.
Ini penanaman rumput.
The link to the national, the organization have dairy cooperative, West Java, several, East Java as well. We have also actually national dairy cooperative, but not really.
Not connected to
I don't think they're very connected either. That's
But
basically
they are smaller ones. I mean, there's Arla is a big one.
Arla and Tisa, the only two bigger ones, right?
Yeah.
I like it,
Yeah.
We have
Two
smaller
or three.
Yeah, smaller ones.
but it's not connected with Arla.
No, not connected with Arla. No, they're competitors. Yeah. So Tisa is probably the biggest one, 100% organic. Organic. And then we visited on one of the previous visits here, another cooperative called Naturmen, which also is 100% organic, and they do not do so much for retail. They do almost 100% of their milk goes to restaurants. Yeah. They have some for retail as well, but mostly it's for restaurants. Yeah.
Planning everything up. So I don't think it's a cooperative, but I'm not sure.
I think you're right. I think it's just this is a small private area. That one.
It seems like it's a private company.
Because it's already
No, because they are so, I mean, somehow it
dairy cattle farmer. They have a standard this farmer already have knowledge like this. Then they have certificate up the knowledge and they give certificate, something like that.
Farmers.
Yeah, the farmers. They have like that.
They have some kind of farmer schools and
Yes, farmer
knowledge sharing, and they have in the network in Ala they have some kind of groups where they can also get information. But I don't think they do so much about certificates that I know about. Yeah.
I think they're very good. Like you sort of get a higher degree or a higher, I don't know, like certificate, something. I'm not
this is
sure.
key farmer in this area is Mr. ABC. But they already key farmer because the knowledge is already up, something like that.
But in Denmark you're not allowed to have animals unless you have an education, specific education.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's prohibited to have animals.
This would be have certificate.
No certificate in education. So you have to have completed an education in a school specifically related to
And
this.
Formal education.
Yeah.
And actually to buy farmland, you also need, I think, an education related to farming. I think as a veterinarian, can you buy?
As a
you can buy
veterinarian, you're
land as
also,
well,
yeah.
right?
There's a few of the, like
Yeah,
this
there's a
extra.
few
but-
educations. Farmer education, of course, you can buy land. Veterinarians, also people studying agriculture, agriculture scientists, are the only ones who can buy farmland, because we have the areas, the land in Denmark. It's, I mean, you look at a piece of land and this is dedicated farmland. So you know, it's not just a piece of land. This is farmland. You cannot build your house on this. This is for farming.
It's
Yes.
like that in Indonesia, so you have some areas that
And you can only, but you cannot build your house on farmland. I mean, you can't buy this field and then buy your
animal husbandry.
because you know how to keep animals. Maybe I don't know. But you
They
know a bit
assume
about
that you know a
feeding.
little bit, yeah.
Yeah. So
Like, inheritance taxes. So when the younger generation is trying to take over the farms, they have to pay a lot. Maybe they're not interested.
They can't just get the farm from the parents. You cannot just give your farm to your children. You
Yeah.
have to.
Regeneration for farmers is also problem for their families.
Yeah, it's actually structurally it's an issue.
Yeah, and also as you say, young people don't want to be farmers, so we don't have enough educated farmers around. And sometimes it's an issue with language because they don't speak Danish. They speak maybe a little. What are the rules of regulation? So they provide the. But it's a bit complicated. Because they come also with a different mindset and a different way of being a farmer because they are from different countries. But they need to do it according to the Danish rules and the Danish mindset of how to keep animals, animal welfare, and things like that.
In Indonesia also young people they see to millennial farmer. Yes, they are millennial farmer.
But I think of the jobs where you really have to work. The young people don't want to do that.
Everybody just wants to be a YouTuber now. Just make YouTube videos of it.
It's difficult to get people to do this part. But also the what do you call it? The carpenters and the electricians, the workers. That's also a lot of the ones building our houses. That's from Eastern Europe.
Oh yeah,
Because young Danish people don't want to
they want to be in the office.
Yes, they do. They're very lazy. I don't know why.
It's the values we're making for the society, yeah. It's
Yeah.
what we show in TV and what we say is good,
Yeah.
and where we pay people money, it means that we value this higher and people
Yeah.
want to go to